Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by positioning the Index Chulha on a stable, heat-proof platform and confirming 30 cm clearance for the chimney. Load small dry wood pieces 2-4 cm thick into the fuel tray. This helps rapid ignition and steady flame. Once done, open the primary air vent fully to allow oxygen flow and light a small tinder bundle at the center. Make sure to slide the ash pan under the firebox to catch embers. This keeps airflow consistent and prevents smoke backflow. You now control the burn by adjusting the secondary vent to change flame intensity. Small 1/4 turns give predictable results. Once the initial bed of embers is stable, add larger logs gradually to sustain a 20-40 minute cooking period and keep the combustion even. Make sure to center your pot on the grate so heat spreads uniformly, and use a lid to trap heat and save fuel. If you need more heat quickly, open vents briefly, then reduce vents to stabilize simmering. You finish by tapering fuel input and closing vents gradually so the fire subsides without a smoke surge. Once the chulha is cool, remove and empty the ash pan into a metal container. Never discard hot embers, so the next start is clean and efficient. If smoke increases at any point, check the airflow path and clear ash or unburnt fuel blocking the grate. Often a brief poke to redistribute embers restores draft. Make sure the chimney flue is unobstructed for consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.